Good morning, Millards. On this happy momentous occasion of 75th Independence Day celebrations by the High Court for the state of Telangana at Hyderabad, I have immense pleasure in extending warm and hearty welcome to Honorable the Chief Justice Hima Kohli Garu, Honorable Judges of the High Court, and respected members of their Lordships' families. I also welcome Learned Advocate General, Additional Advocate General, Additional Solicitor General, Assistant Solicitor General, Chairman Bar Council, President High Court Advocates Association, Public Prosecutor, Additional Public Prosecutors, and Government Pleaders of the High Court for the State of Telangana. I heartily welcome the senior advocates, members of legal fraternity, registrars, law secretary, member secretary Telangana State Legal Services Authority, Director Judicial Academy, member secretary Disha Commission, secretary High Court Legal Services Committee, officers and staff members of the High Court, media and press. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, I welcome one and all to the Independence Day celebrations. To commence the program, there is a prayer, Vande Mataram.
One, two.
Now, I request my Lord, Honorable the Chief Justice Hima Kohli Garu to unfurl the national flag. May I request Sri Ponnam Ashok Gaud Garu, President Bar Association, to address on the occasion.
My Lord,
the Honorable Chief Justice Hima Kohli, and other Honorable Judges of this esteemed High Court, the Learned Advocate General, Chairman Bar Council, Member Bar Council of India, Vice Chairman, registrars, staff, media, colleagues of the bar. I wish very happy Independence Day, which was given to us by our forefathers with great sacrifice and with selfless continuous fight. I take this opportunity to congratulate one and all while thanking the Honorable Chief Justice of India for enhancing the judicial strength of this Honorable Court from 24 to 42 and thereby giving vast opportunity for this Honorable Court to clear the long pendency of cases and a new dispensation of justice to the litigant. Our High Court has been doing tremendous job despite all the hardships which all of us had been facing due to pandemic. A new beginning was made of hearing and disposing the cases through virtual mode. I, on behalf of the entire Bar Association, congratulate and thank each and every honorable judge of the court, this court, for doing such excellent job of disposal even during the pandemic, this critical situation, and giving a new hope to the litigant for getting the justice even during the pandemic. I am sure once the full judicial strength of this honorable court starts working, this Telangana High Court would members get vaccinated and live without fear.